Now imagine you have just restored your stained shower glass back to new. How do you keep it clean? Well, the answer is Shower Glass Hero Weekly combined with our shower glass renewal pad. This is exactly the system we use to keep our customers' shower glass after a professional restoration crystal clear for the lifetime of the glass. Just check out the abrasion in that pad. That's what's going to keep your shower glass crystal clear. So let me just demonstrate Shower Glass Hero Weekly in action. With the soap scum, the glass renewal pad takes off the water spots. And then just rinse it down. Shower Glass Hero Weekly is exactly how you're going to keep the hard water spots from returning to your shower glass for good. So why not click the link on this video and purchase Shower Glass Hero Weekly today.